Meanwhile, despite fears in some European countries, more assurance this evening that the Oxford Astrazeneca vaccine is safe. The European Medicines Agency has since indicated that there is no connection between the vaccine and emerging health concerns. Here's Kelisha Williams with that story.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton at a press briefing on Thursday.
We have not had incidents that could change that expert view that it is an effective and safe vaccine. And we will track the persons here in Jamaica that receive the vaccine, as we have done, to show the actual impact. And so far, so good.
It follows news Thursday that some European countries have stopped using the AstraZeneca vaccine after some recipients developed blood clots. The European Medicines Agency insists there is no correlation. Chairman of the Southern Regional Health Authority, Wayne Chen, explained that while he understands the concerns, Jamaicans need to look at the bigger picture.
The health authorities in each country has to act on information as they have it. The fact is, though, that in these countries they have multiple vaccines, so they have the luxury of pausing now and then, even for the slightest bit of adverse information. So they do what they think is prudent.
Now, day 3 of the vaccine rollout, Mr. Chen explained that what has been helping in his region is continued public education.
A seasoned team of community health aides, public health nurses, even the vector control workers, and this numbers in the thousands in the southern region, in the 3 parishes of Clarendon, Manchester, and St. Elizabeth. So there is a lot of on-the-ground discussion of the vaccine and its importance in our fight against the pandemic. But I think the most effective medium will be when people who are opinion leaders, who are looked up to in the community, when they are respected, when they step forward and take the vaccine, I think that will be the most effective medium.
Millions of people in Europe have already received the AstraZeneca vaccine. Here in the region, Trinidad is looking to start administering the jabs later this month. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.